Hello everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into Rebby Kid Foods. Thank you so much for always tuning in to this channel of amazing videos. So guys, Rebby Kid Foods is a YouTube channel which deals with African traditional recipes and modern as well. So if at all you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing, view my videos, throw your comments, share as much as you can. For the returning viewers, thank you so much. And I would urge everyone watching this channel to browse the membership pack so that they can always uh, have the latest details or other services from Rebikit Foods. So guys, today I'm back with a common recipe, but people do it differently. So kindly watch this Rebikit food style and comment. Thank you so much. Let's get to the cooking. Here's my quick recipe are all about bread. So we're just going to flavor this bread using this cheese, using ham and some eggs. We also have milk, and the spice that I'm going to use is just paprika. So stay tuned. Just by beating my eggs. Then I will add in some salt, some paprika, then lastly I will add in some milk. So keep tuned. My bread. So I'm going to cut the edges of this bread. So I'll do the same to the rest. Assemble my bread. I'll apply this. I'll place the cheese. I will place the stock. I apply this. I place the ham. Then I put another one. So this is what I'm going to have. So I place it aside and continue with the rest. I'll do the same. And now we'll just put in some little oil so that I can toast my bread. So keep tuned, guys. My oil is ready. I will take my bread. I will dip it in here. is also cooked as well. You have to hold it, let it cook. On the other side. The reason why we put more heat so that even the inside part of the bread can cook. So I'll let it continue cooking. Same to this. So guys, this is done. Then I will take it out. Same to this. It is done. Then I will take it out at the same time. That's it. So continue with this. Look at my toasted bread. See how yummy they look. So let me just try. See, so nice, so tasty, guys. Please view this video, give it a like, share, and more so try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.